I'm Armen Avanov from Israel, and so shalom everyone. I've been doing the manual practice for the last 20 years, and always it was something missing. And I found osteopathy as a whole system that corresponds to my understanding that human body should be treated as a whole and not symptomatically. I'm very grateful for this opportunity to have this manual practice in Barcelona. Every one of us, I believe, got a new practical skills based on this theory, and we had a great team. Each one brought his experience, so it was a great time, and I believe we'll meet again. Thanks, teachers, managers, college, Barcelona, and see you next time. Thank you.